I also request the chief guest of today, Shigeki Furuta-san, to please award him the shield and the model case supplier shield as well. And I also request the team of the team rubber, Mr. Imran Khan, Mr. Sameer Hayat Mir, and all the team members to please collect their certificates as well. I may now request Ravi Auto Sundar, the representative of Ravi Auto Sundar. They are the model case in the first term. So a big applause for them. I may now request CEO United Mechanical Industries. So please come on stage and receive the model case supplier shield as well as participant shield and the certificates. First of all, the participant shield. I also request the team from the UMI or company. The model case supplier shield. I may now request representatives from the PEX Industries to please come on the stage and receive their model case supplier shield as well as the participation shield and the certificates. PEX Industries. A big applause for them. The model case supplier shield. And the certificates. Now I am requesting representatives from the Darson Industries to please collect their model case supplier shield as well as participation shield and their certificates. Darson Industries, a big applause for them. They are the model case. The representation shield, participation shield in the project. Now I request CEO of Precision Mates Industries to please come on the stage and receive the model case supplier shield as well as participation shield in the certificates. The team of the Precision Mates are actively involved in all the activities and produce tremendous results. A big applause for them. I am now requesting representatives from Zahur Die Casting to please come on stage and receive their participation shield. A big applause for the participants from Zahur Die Casting. For the next shield, I would like to invite CEO Park Precise Engineering. Sir, please come on the stage and receive the participation shield from the Chief Representative, Jica, Pakistan. A big applause for them as well. I would like to request from MGA Industries, Director MGA, to please come on stage and please collect their participation shield. Team MGA, please also accompany him. For the next shield, I would like to invite CEO RK Gear, Mr. Mumshad. He is the ex-chairman PAPAM as well. So please collect your participation shield. A big applause for them as well. For the next, I would like to invite participants from the Mikas Industries. Anyone here from Mikas? Okay, I guess not. So I would like to request CEO Al-Badr Industries to please come on the stage and receive their participation sheet and the certificates of their team. For the next shield, I would like to invite participants from the Umar Gibran Industries. Anyone from Umar Gibran? Okay. For the next one, I would like to invite the participants from the Standard Engineering Works. Participants from the Standard Engineering Works, please come on the stage and collect their participation shield and the certificates of their team. A big applause for them. For the next one, I would like to invite Director Unitech Industries to please come on the stage and collect their participation shield and the team of the Unitech to collect their certificates as well. A big applause for them as well. Thank you. For the next round, I would like to invite Vice Chairman PAPAM. So kindly come on stage for the.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, sorry. One more left from Stanley Industries. Anyone? Sir, please come. Sorry. Thank you very much, Mr. Shikiki for Uttasan. Thank you, sir. For the next round, I would like to invite Mr. Basharat Javed, Vice Chairman PAPAM, to please distribute the shields first. For that one, I would like to request the participants from the team. First of all, from SMEDA, I would like to invite Sayyid Imtinan. Imtinan, please come on the stage and receive your shield. For the next one, I would like to invite Mr. Usman, who is the local consultant in the Jica SMEDA project. Mr. Usman, please come on the stage and receive your shield and certificate. Mr. Salman Haider. On behalf of Salman Haider, I would like to request Mr. Ijaz to please receive the shield on his behalf. A very energetic member of our team, Mr. Umair Naseem, kindly come on the stage and receive your shield and the certificate. He's a very active member from Appam. And a big applause for him. Mr. Arif, kindly please come on the stage and receive your shield. He is also a member of the local team. A big applause for him as well. For next, Mr. Azim Iqbal, I would like to request Mr. Azim to please come on the stage and receive his shield. He is also a member of the local consultant team in the SMEDA Jica project. I would like to request Mr. Ijaz to please receive his shield and certificates. Thank you, Mr. Basharat Javed sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I would like to request again to the chief guest, Mr. Shikiki Faruta San. Sir, please come on the stage again. I would like to request Mr. Hasib. He is the manager of SMEDA and he is a core member of the team to please receive his shield and the certificate. A big applause for him. I would like to request Mr. Hiroshi Kaneki. He is the chief of team and he is energetically involved in the project throughout. He works day and night, work till 1 p.m., 1 a.m. at the night. So please, Mr. Hiroshi Kaneki, receive your award and the certificate. A big applause for him. I would like to request for the next shield, the main part of this project, the core of this project, Mr. Ashfaq Ahmed. He is the general manager, the NSDS Division SMEDA. A big applause for him. I would like to request Ms. Ena Veno. She is the project formulation advisor. Ms. Veno, kindly please come on the stage and receive your shield. I would like to request Dr. Harun Chan, so please come on the stage and receive the shield. I will also request Vice Chairman Papan, so please, Bashar sir, please come on stage and receive your shield. A big applause for him. I would like to request Deputy General Manager SMEDA, Mr. Falan, so please come on stage and receive the shield. A big applause for him. Now I will request myself. Thank you, lady.
Gohar Sahab, it's your turn now. You have a very good contribution, particularly skill development.
For the next, I would like to request Mr. Ahmed Abdullah. He is a senior local consultant in this project. Kindly receive your shield and the certificate. A big applause for him as well. He is a core. So the main part, the Shahid Islam Khan, the interpreter of this project, I will request him to please receive shield. Without him, we would be, speechless. So he has translated tremendously and throughout this project. I will again thank you to our chief guest, Mr. Shigeki Puruta-san. A big applause for him. Now it's the end, and I would like to request Mr. Bashar Javed, Vice Chairman Papam, to please deliver his closing remarks. A big applause for him.